Welcome everyone. Today I'm show Sapphire plus 3D printer. I get this kit and I'm missing some stuff. I'm missing GearBest cooling fan and I'm missing limit switch. And it's no info about limit switch. No in the packing list. So I don't know. You must fix yourself or something like this. And biggest not understanding is this. Check this out. What the hell is this? How you can use whole printing area? I'm not really getting. This Zeta screws reach G head, so actually you cannot print or you cannot use printer in a whole printing area. This is 300 or 300, something like this. So before you buy this kit, I don't know, maybe you must contact seller and he is explain. All other parts, it seems very good. It's very solid made. Very thin plastic, metal frame, very stable. Just one problem, not really understand. And Zeta level switch also, I think its distance is too short. Because now I'm reaching, see, and I have a lot of space between nozzle and printing bed. And I not tight all screws. That's it, guys. That's my review about this printer. Enjoy, subscribe, and happy 3D printing.